Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to today's session of On Air with Boss. Our guest today is Ahmed Khalid Bukhari. Ahmed Khalid Bukhari, a proud alumnus of Beacon House Defence Campus, class of 2011, began his journey in pre-nursery and continued through A-levels, shaping a strong foundation for his academic and professional path. After starting his undergraduate studies at LUMS, he transferred to New York University, gaining international exposure both in education and professional life. His career journey took him from New York City back to Pakistan, where he began his corporate career with AkzoNobel. Driven by a passion for creating and building, Ahmed transitioned into entrepreneurship, exploring ventures across different industries. That entrepreneurial spirit ultimately led him to his true calling, Keel, a premium furniture design and manufacturing company known for its high-end online retail presence and design-forward furnishing projects across Pakistan. From Beacon House to business leadership, Ahmed's journey is a testament to growth, creativity, and purpose. Ahmed, can you please walk us through your journey at Beacon House?
So I joined Beacon House in pre-nursery and went all the way to A-levels. Graduated from Beacon House in A2. So it was a long journey. It was essentially my second home throughout this time. My sisters were also in the same school. My cousins were also in the same school. So we were like a huge bunch in this one school. We knew everybody. All of us used to love going to school.
Okay.
I think uska credit jo hai, it goes to the staff, the teachers, the overall infrastructure, and also our friends. And I've seen this very rarely, but I do see this around me that all of the different groups, मेरा अपना group है और लोगों का कुछ group है, सबके groups वो pre-nursery से grade 1 से grade 2 से आज तक वैसे ही हैं. So I don't know, उसका भी credit शायद school को at some level जाता है कि there was something about it कि वो जो interaction थी, जो unity थी, वो जो relationships थी, वो maintain हुई हैं over time.
True. It's always the hidden curriculum which basically adds to all of these bonds and this kind of connectivity that does prevail.
जो retention rate था of teachers, वो बड़ा लंबा था. मतलब
Yes,
मेरा सबसे बड़ा cousin या उन्होंने भी उन्हीं teacher से पढ़ा जिनसे मेरे सबसे छोटे cousin ने पढ़ा.
Okay.
You know?
Yes.
तो वो जो teachers आए वो सारे बहन भाइयों ने फिर उनसे पढ़ा. फिर एक sense of family वैसे ही develop हो जाता है.
You get comfortable with familiar people.
Yes.
And obviously, you know that repo is already built.
Yes.
So for parents के लिए भी easy हो जाता है. अच्छा अहमद, आप मुझे बताओ कि if you were supposed to assign 3 words or phrases to your experience at BDC, what would those words and phrases be and why?
It was a very, very wholesome experience.
Okay.
It's an all-encompassing word. I think it explains a lot. उसके अलावा I would say कि personal development काफ़ी हुई वहाँ पे. Beacon House एक bubble नहीं है. इसके अंदर काफ़ी different social strata से आपको अपने class fellows नज़र आते हैं. You're a lot more grounded. आपको realities का पता होता है. Third, I think it was a lot of fun. Like I still miss it a lot.
ठीक है. नहीं, that sums it up as well. अच्छा, आप मुझे बताओ कि what is your fondest memory from BTC?
एक flower arrangement competition आया and it was in this all girls school.
Okay.
So मैं and another guy, my friend Moiz, हम चले गए and there were 3-4 girls. ये Beacon House की team Queen Mary चली गई. गेट पे गए पहले तो गार्ड ने रोक लिया हमारी शक्लें देख के कि हैं boys, ये कहाँ आ रहे हैं? तो वो confused था, वो अंदर गया, took him like 15-20 minutes. It's a big school.
Yeah.
Came back, उनको बताया कि हाँ अच्छा. They also I think didn't expect कि any boy would come
for a flower arrangement.
For a flower arrangement competition. And वहाँ पे फिर हमने flower arrangement competition किया. They're like I think 1500-2000 लड़कियाँ थीं और हम 2 लड़के थे.
You guys were the only two
We
boys
were the
over there?
only two boys over there in all of the school. Guards के अलावा हमने कोई मर्द नहीं देखा उस school में.
ठीक है. Okay.
And then turned out that I came first and my friend came second.
Amazing.
हाँ.
Amazing. The only
तो-
two boys and they both bagged the first and the second position.
हाँ.
Any one canteen snack that you miss the most?
वो एक मसाले वाले chips होते थे.
ठीक है.
There was this old man who used to make these. So they were called Baba Ji के chips.
अच्छा.
Like और भी fries आए. लेकिन जो वो fries थे ना,
बाबा जी
in
के
the
fries.
बाबा जी वाले fries in the beginning of our time at BDC, वो वाकई याद आते हैं.
If your campus was a person,
If
What-
my campus was a person,
yes,
okay.
what zodiac sign would you give the campus and why?
I think a Libra.
Why?
क्योंकि मुझे स्कूल पसंद था और मुझे लिब्रास बहुत पसंद है.
Is Zara Libra?
She also is. My sisters are also Libras.
A creative excuse that you used for a late submission?
O levels में, I think 9th grade में, एक दफ़ा क्या हुआ, कोई I think उर्दू की टीचर थी, Miss Sobia, and a month and a half in to the semester जो हमारा शुरू हुआ, उन्होंने कहा अहमद तुम्हारी कॉपी नहीं मैंने चेक की, तुम लेके आओ ना ज़रा. वो जो उस वक्त उर्दू में बड़ा ज़रूरी होता था कि वो बड़े लंबे लंबे हमने लिखने होते थे, वो तशरीहां
ठीक है.
शेरों की. अब
Yes.
शायद बाद में लेटर ऑन फिर वो ख़त्म भी हो गई. सो आई यूज्ड टू हेट डूइंग दैट. मैंने कहा मिस मेरी कॉपी जो है ना, वो बच्चे आए हुए थे छोटे मेरे कजन्स, वो तो मुझे लगता है वो साथ ही ले गए हैं क्योंकि उस पर वो ड्राइंग कर रहे थे एंड दे रियली वांटेड इट एंड दे हैव टेकन इट विद देम टू दुबई. उन्होंने कहा ओहो सच अ क्यूट स्टोरी. उन्होंने सारे बच्चों जो बेस्ट जिसके नोट्स थे ना क्लास में, लड़की, उससे कहा कि यार इसको अपनी कॉपी दे दो, ये फोटो कॉपी करा लेगा और ये रख लेगा.
So, if your campus life was a song, what would the song be?
ये वो जगह है जिस पर कभी खेले थे हम तुम मिलकर सभी, बीती हुई उन यादों में, प्यारी प्यारी उन बातों में, ढूंढूं तुझे हर तरफ, ढूंढूं तुझे अपने ख्वाबों में, यादों में तू, यादों में तू, यादों में तू, यादों में तू.
Amazing, amazing. Mashallah, you have an outstanding voice.
वो जो मेरे जो गिटारिस्ट जो ड्रमर और ये जो बेसिस्ट और ये वो जो सारा क्रू था ना, वो आधे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बैठे हुए और आधे अमेरिका में बैठे हुए.
Would you like to give a shout out to them?
ताहा, साद, फराज, अरसल, मोइज, अहमद गुल, जारून तो यही है, सलमान, तैमूर. तो यस pretty much it. किसी का नाम मैं भूल गया हूँ तो यार कोई बात नहीं.
Ahmed, if you could get a time machine
Okay.
and travel back in time,
सही.
is there something that you would do differently?
I don't think I'd like to change anything. But वैसे in life, I think I would have invested in something that's really skyrocketed over time.
Okay. Ahmed, can you tell me if you were a competitive student by nature?
Competitive, not really. I was studious, yes.
Okay.
I wasn't a bookworm. I used to pay attention in class. So I had the realization that I need to get somewhat of a good grade. Like this, what we're doing in school is important.
ठीक है,
There's a
चलो,
reason
good.
why we're coming here. But yes, in sports and उसमें था, जाहिर है competitive sports खेलते थे, swimming करते थे, football खेलते थे. तो उसमें जाहिर है there's always competition and that's what makes it fun.
Ahmed, can you tell me if you were part of any clubs in school?
I was in the football team, volley team में भी था. So these were the sports that I used to play. Music में I was a vocalist. A levels में तो हम स्कूल के बैंड में भी थे. Got to perform with Fawad Khan from EP.
Okay. That's
He was the
nice.
judge and we were the house band. और हमने उनका ही गाना परफॉर्म किया था। तो जब अवार्ड दे दिया तो उसके बाद जब उनको रिक्वेस्ट की कि आप परफॉर्म करें, तो उन्होंने कहा बस फिर हाउस बैंड ही आ जाए, उन्हीं के साथ करते हैं। इनफैक्ट स्विम टीम तो हमने ही बनाई थी, मैं एंड अ फ्यू अदर्स जो कि स्विमिंग करते थे।
Emmett, did you have any mentors in school?
Naveen Shahid Bhatt, our principal, is somebody that I used to look up to. She was somebody जिसके अंदर I think पेरेंट्स से लेके स्टूडेंट्स से लेके टीचर्स लेके everybody knew that this is one person जो कि is grounded, number one. Number two, will understand the situation and do justice to the situation and come up with an amicable solution.
Okay.
So she was very, very approachable.
Emmett, what message do you have for your former self?
There are a lot of things that are happening in the world and a lot of people are doing it. And there are two ways to look at life. एक ये होता है कि there's so much happening and इसके अंदर आप existential crisis में चले जाओगे, मैं क्या ही value कर सकता हूँ. And the other way to look at things is कि if so many people are doing it, I can definitely do it. Self-belief की बात है कि you believe in yourself. Whatever you think of, at least try doing it, and chances are that you will achieve what you're set out to get.
Emmett, what is one myth about your profession that you would like to debunk?
Get rich quick वाली schemes वाला entrepreneurship बिल्कुल ना करें. It takes 10 years of effort to become an overnight success.
What piece of advice would you have for the current students of Beacon House?
This is an advice that I would like to give people कि जब when you're young, जब आप 22-23 साल के होते हो, take all the risks that you can. Young people should be building fires, not think about putting them out.
Putting them out, yes. Thank you so much, Ahmed, for
Thank you.
coming
It was
in
a pleasure.
today, taking out time from your busy schedule. It was an absolute honor to host you on the show today. And I hope and pray that everyone who's watching the show, especially the young minds, they can basically learn from your pearls of wisdom.
Hopefully,
and
yes.
Inshallah, and the tricks of trade that you've given them.
For sure, it was definitely a pleasure being here.
Beacon House Old Student Society, BOSS, building a community together.